So, guys, we are doing the configuration on this router. Okay. So on this router, we are running the OSPF, right? Everyone. So router OSPF 100, then network. Which network we need to advertise, guys? 40 network, 10th network, as well as 111, right?
Yeah.
40.0.0.0. Wildcard mask will be, guys, 0.255, 255, and area will be 0. Okay. After that,
Network.
which network? 10th network, right now 10.0.0.0, 0.255, 255, 255, and area will be 1. Sorry, 0. Done. Network 1.1.1.1, and what will be the wildcard mask? 255, 255, 255. Oh, sorry. 0. Done. Na? Area is 0. Done. So this is the configuration on this router. Right now, everyone? Yes or no? Yes. Even we can change the router ID, but how can we change? Router ID 1.1.1.1. Just copy this to the CLI. This is IBM Delhi. Okay. In global configuration mode, I paste all the command. Done. To show IP protocol. OSPF 100 I configure. Network is 40, 10, and 1. Done. And what is the router ID? 1.1.1.1. Done na everyone? Any question?
No.
On R2. First of all, on R2, what we will do? OSPF 100. Okay. 40 network. Same 40 network. Right na everyone? And after that, 50 network. Right? Tell me. 40, 50, and then 20. First copy it. 20 network. Done na? Then 2222. Right? Done na? Everyone. Yes or no?
Yes.
Anything else here? No.
Router
Either
ID
we can write like this, or either we can write only one command, na? 0.0.0.0, because we want every network in the area number 0. Right now, and every network in the OSPF. So we can write network 0.0.0, 255, 255, 255, 255, and area is 0. Right now, we can write like this also. But here we can't write this command. Why? Because some of the interface is in different routing protocol. Right now, everyone. So here we can't write this command, and here also we can't write this command, because this will be the part of area 0 and this will be the part of area 1. Right? So here we can't run. So on this router we can run. Getting my point, everyone? But don't make this habit. Okay, basically in real environment we are not doing like this.
We need to change router ID also.
ID, very good. 2.2.2. Either you can change, otherwise it will by default it will what will be the router ID? 2.2.2.2. Right now, because there is a single loop back, na 2.2.2.2. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So IP protocol 100 is there, 40, 50, 20, and 2, and neighborship is also done. Yes or no? Yes. So IP OSPF neighborship is also formed with R1. I told you na, in OSPF we understand, and we what is the naming cluster, or you can say we can understand any router by the name of router ID. Right now, so that is the router ID. Done na everyone? Yes or no?
Yes.
Now come on R3. On R3, router OSPF 100, right?
Yes.
Done na everyone. After that, we advertise the 50 network. Yes or no? Yes.
Yes.
So I need to remove this one. One is remove 50 network. 50 network will be the part of area 0, right?
Yes.
Then guys 30 network. Tell right now. So 30
Yes.
network will be the part of area 0. After that 3.3.3.3, right?
Yes.
3.3.3.3 and router ID will be guys 3.3.3.3.
3.3.
Done. And after that there is a one more network, that is the 60 network. Yes or no?
60.
Yes.
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 In area 1.
Oh, what happened? Copy, paste, and that will be the 60 network and area will be 1. Done na everyone? Yes or no? All the configuration is correct? Okay.
Yes.
Just copy it. To show IP protocol. OSPF 100 is there. 50, 30, 3. Part of area 0 and 60 is a part of area 1.
1.
And this is the router ID. And by default, what is the AD value for OSPF?
1 0.
110. And on this router, we configure everything. Now, on this router, we are running router OSPF 100. Then guys, which network? 60 network, right? Everyone.
Yes.
So 60 network will be the part of area
1.
1. Yes, na everyone?
Yes.
Now 70 network. 70 network is also a part of area
1.
1. Okay. And there is one printer. Yes or no? So what we need to do? We need to advertise this one also in the OSPF, right? Everyone.
Yes.
Tell me.
Yes.
Okay. I don't know what is the problem here. 192.168.50.1 and here which network we are running? 50.
10. 10.
50.1, right?
50.1. Yes.
Okay.
50.0.0.1.
So right now do one thing. Please do not advertise this one. Okay, now what we will do? We will perform redistribution here. Okay. We will redistribute this network in OSPF. Okay.
OSP.
Basically, there are two ways by which redistribute. We will perform the redistribution between the protocol and I will show you how we can redistribute any subnet. Getting my point? Understand? See, here we are using the EIGRP and here we are using the OSPF, right?
Yes.
So here we will perform
Yes.
the redistribution. So this type of redistribution is called redistribution between the protocols, right now, everyone. And here I will perform the redistribution and this will, what I will do, I will redistribute 50 network in OSPF. So that is called subnet redistribution. Getting my point, everyone? I will tell you how actually we are doing the both type of redistribution. Getting my point? But we can, yes, we can advertise this one in the OSPF. That is the easy task. But we are not doing like this. Okay, now we will redistribute it. Done everyone? Yes or no? So
Okay.
Yes.
router OSPF 100 area 1. What will be? Is there any loop back? I don't think there is a loop back. No, no. Let me check.
So IP interface brief.
Yes, one loop back is there 44444. Is there any loop back 4444? I don't think so. Right? No. So 44444 and router ID will be guys again 44444. Done?
Area will area be 0?
Sorry? No. Area 1. Done? Anything else?
Yes.
Fine. Copy. Done now, everyone. So I
Yes.
configure the OSP of there also. Done. Everything is done, right? Everyone.
Yes.
Tell me right now. Now this is area number 0 and this is area number 1. What I will do? What I did, guys, I just advertise every network in the OSPF. Yes or no? Yes. Just tell me. Now I am on the PC number 1. Can I ping from PC number 1 to this one? This PC? Because this PC is the part of which network? Sorry, which area? Area
Area
number 1.
1.
Right now I am writing ping
So we cannot ping.
70.0.0.2.
Ping.
I am able to ping.
Pinged.
Getting my point? What is happening here? First of all, try to understand. Guys, this router is known as which router? Who can tell me? Backbone router, right?
Backbone router.
Interfaces in area number 0.
0.
Right now? Okay. Now come on this router. This router is known as which router, guys?
AVR router.
ABR.
ABR.
Because other interface is the part of other area. Right now? Area 1.
Yes.
So this is called ABR router. Done, everyone. I hope this is clear to all of you. Done. Now,
Yes.
Yes.
in previous class, I told you about the some LSAs, LSA 1 or LSA 2, right?
Yes.
Who is generating the LSA number 1? Every router generates the LSA number 1, right? Na? And by the help of LSA number 1, every router is telling something about itself. Yes or no? Yes.
Yes.
That is LSA number 1.
Let's see.
Now, what do you mean by LSA number 2?
Network LSA.
Yes, LSA 2 is the network LSA. Who generated the LSA number 2? DR router will generate the LSA number
DR.
2. Yes, na everyone? Yes or no? Yes.
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 For example, here, this router or this router. So between this router and this link, on this link, this is the one segment. Yes or no? Yes, na?
Yes.
And this is the one segment, this is the one segment. So on one segment, one will be the DR and one will be the BDR.
BDR.
So who will generate the LSA number 2? DR will generate the LSA number 2. So generally in LSA number 2, you guys will get which information? DR information is there. Yes or no? Yes. So that is the
Yes.
LSA 1 and LSA 2. Now come on LSA number 3. Please remember one thing. ABR router generate LSA number 3. Who generate the LSA number 3, guys? ABR router will generate the LSA number 3. Fine. Now the thing is, what is the use of LSA number 3? Fine. Now tell me one thing. I told you in the previous class, LSA 1 and LSA 2 do not go in different area. Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, na? If
Yes.
LSA 1 and LSA 2 is not going to different area, then for example, this PC wants to communicate with this one, which is situated in the different area. Is it possible? No, this is not possible. So to solve this problem, we have a concept of ABR router.
ABR.
And what ABR will do? ABR will generate the LSA number 3, and by the help of LSA number 3, this router inject this area information into this area and this area information into this area. And by the help of which LSA? LSA number 3.
3.
Automatically, no need to do anything from our side.
No, we do not need to do anything. Now see, for example, it means on this router, both LSA will be there. For area 0 LSA and area 1 LSA. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, na? This router is what this router is doing. This router is sharing this area LSA to this and this area LSA to this.
Yes.
It means this router hold both area LSA. Yes or no?
Yes.
So that's the reason in real environment, our ABR router should be the strong router. Getting my point? That can handle both LSA. Getting my point, everyone? Yes or no? Yes.
Yes.
So if you check this one, this router, if I run to show IP OSPF database,
Database.
see, three, and this is area number
0.
0.
it means these LSA is the part of area number 0
0.
and these LSA is the part of area number.
1.
So it means your ABR router hold both LSA. ABR router has both area information. Yes or no? Yes. I understand na? This is
Yes.
router link. It means LSA1. This is LSA2. Yes or no? Yes. And that is LSA3.
LSE3. Summary SL.
In LSA3, what is the information? See, for example, if we come here, this is the summary LSA. Okay.
Summary.
So in area number 0, 60, 70, and 40. And this is for area number 0. 60, 70. Are you telling me 60, 70,
Yes.
and 4?
4.
Yes,
Loop
no,
4.
everyone? Yes or
Yeah.
no? Yes. $60, 70, and 4. Tell me one thing. This router will share 60, 70, and 4. Right na? 60, 74. This network information in which area? Area
Area
0.
1.
1.
Area 0. 60, 70, and 4. These are already part of area 1. So
Yes.
ABR
Yes.
router will share these
Okay.
network information in area 0.
0.
Yes, na, everyone. So that's the reason
Yes.
you
Yes.
are able to see in the database table what you are able to see in area number 0. This one. I told you in the yesterday class also. Basically, router share the database and router run the SPF algorithm and maintain the data in which table? Database table. Yes,
Database.
everyone. So that's the reason you are
Yeah.
able to see 60, 70, and 4. These network information in which area? Area 0.
Area 0.
Similarly, this one, 50, 40, these network area you guys will see where? In
Area
Area
1.
getting my point. And this is called LSA number 3.
3.
This is called LSA number 3.
3.
Done? Everyone. And this is called which router, guys? ABR router.
ABR.
There is a command to check. I don't know it will work or not. So IP OSPF border router. This is the command. Yes. Okay, what when I write this command, what I am getting? 3.3.3. It means which router? This router is the ABR router. This router is the ABR router. Point, everyone. Yes or no?
Yes.
Understand? Now, I already configure till here right now, and right now I am able to ping from PC1 to PC. This one 70.70.2. Right now, it means inter-area communication is happening here. There is no problem. Yes, na everyone. Tell me.
Yes.
Yes.
Now, what is our task? We need to, if I configure on the same router OSPF 1 area 0, where?
OSPF 2. Area 2.
OSPF 2. See, first of all, one more thing I don't know in yesterday class I told you or not. Let me open the file. Yes. Process ID. Process ID. The OSPF process ID is logically significant. I already told you. The process ID does not affect the ability to the router function as the ABR. It means on the single router you can configure router OSPF 100, router OSPF 200. There is no problem. Getting my point, everyone? Yes or no? Yes.
Yes.
But where you guys will get the problem? An ABR can summarize and distribute routes from one area to another area within the same OSPF instances. It means if area 1 is using process ID 200 and area 0 is using the process ID 100, ABR will never inject the route. That is the rule. That is the rule. It means, for example, this is the ABR router, right? What you will do, for example, if you configure like this, on this router, if you configure router OSPF 100, getting my point, network 50.0.0.0, and you are telling, what is the subnet mask, guys? 0.255.255.255. Area is 0. Getting my point, everyone? And if you are writing router OSPF 200 and you are writing network 60.0.0.0, and then you are writing 0.255.255.255, area is 1. Getting my point? It will not work. It will not work. See, everything will work basically. Neighborship will work, there is no problem. But ABR router will not inject area 0 information into area 1 or area 1 information into area 0. Getting my point? You guys can try it. Done? Nabil, I hope this is clear. Done, everyone? Understand?
Yes.
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 If you are doing the inter-area communication, you must need to configure the same process ID. Done, na? Understand?
Yes.
For ABR router to inject route from area 1 to area 0, the ABR must configure to use the same OSPF process ID I told you right now for both areas. The ABR will send type 3 LSA, that is called summary LSA, to summarize routes from area 1 to area 0. I told you right now, from one area to different area, routes will be exchanged in the form of LSA number 3. That is called summary LSA. Fine. Now, what is the ABR router behavior in terms of metric? ABR router concept connect different OSPF area and summarize. We already know. It calculates the total metric to reach the destination route. Okay. So leave it. First of all, understand what is the meaning of this. For example, this router is sharing 60 network where in area number 0. Getting my point, everyone? Are you telling me yes or no? Yes? Now,
Yes.
it means 60 network should be there on this router. Yes or no? Yes? I am
Yes.
here. I am running the command show IP route. Are you guys able to see 60 network? This is right, everyone. Yes, na?
Yes.
See, there is two things you guys are able to see. One, O and IA.
OIA.
Yes or no? What is the difference between this one? O means intra
Intra.
or IA means inter. It means it
Inter.
comes from a different area. That is the meaning of this. Clear, everyone? So 60 network, this router installs 60 network. What is the AD value? 110.
110.
What is the metric?
3.
What is the metric? 3. See here, what will happen? This ABR router advertise 60 network into this area. Yes or no? Yes.
Yes.
What this router will do? This router will calculate 60 network, where 60 network is configured on this link. Yes or no? Yes.
Area 1.
Yes.
On this link, these links are gig link, right? Na everyone? For gig, what is the
Yes.
metric? 1. We already know,
1.
right? And what this router will do? This router calculate the total metric. Getting my point? For example, I received this link from, I received this prefix from this link, and the metric is 1. And I am sharing this link with this router. So total metric is 1 and 1, 2. So total metric will be, guys, this router will receive the total metric 1, 1, 1. Total is
3.
Getting my point, everyone? Or either if you do not understand, you can remember like this. This router always share the prefix. Getting my point? This router always share the prefix with metric value. With metric value. What is the metric value? Source to ABR. Source to ABR. For example, this router is sharing the 60 network. So this is the source, right? And this is the ABR. So from source to ABR, what is the metric? 1? Yes or no? Yeah. This router forward the 60 route with metric 1. When this prefix will reach on this router, what this router will do? This router calculate the total metric from here to ABR. So total is 1 and plus 1, 2. Getting my point? What this router will do? This router add the total metric and install in the routing table. So what is the total metric? 1 and 1, 2. And this router receive metric 1 from the ABR. So total will be 2 plus 1, that is 3.
3.
Getting my point, everyone?
Yes.
So basically that is the behavior of ABR router. Router in the receiving area update their routing table using the metric provided by the ABR. Getting my point? Whatever the ABR is providing, your other device will update it in its routing table. Done? Everyone understand? Tell me. Okay. Now, what is our task? On this router, we already configured the OSPF. Yes or no? Show IP protocol. Yes, na? But right now we are not able to ping our client Cisco. Right, na? So for this, what we need to do? We need to perform the redistribution. Yes or no? Yes? Tell me. How can we write the command? Everyone please focus here. For example, the first scenario, what I written? Redistribute OSPF into EIGRP. It means we are redistributing what? We are redistributing OSPF route into EIGRP. Yes or no? Yes. So what is this? First of all, you need to write the EIGRP. What you need to write? EIGRP. So before this, what you need to do? You need to configure the EIGRP here. Enable show IP protocol. See, none of the protocol is running here, right? What we are doing, we are configuring the EIGRP. Router EIGRP 100, no auto, summary, network. We are writing, advertising all the network in the EIGRP, right? Na? So 0.0.0.0. Same will be, what will be the bytecode mask? 255. There is no concept of area. Fine, na?
Yes.
Okay. To show IP protocol. See, EIGRP 100 is there, router ID is 50, and we advertise all the routes in the EIGRP. Done, everyone? On this router, I configure the EIGRP. Done, na?
Yes.
What is the AS number? 100, right? Na? Now, come here. On this router, what we are doing? We are advertising OSPF into EIGRP, right? Na? So, on this router, we already configure the EIGRP. Yes or no? Yes. But tell me, on this router also you need to configure the EIGRP. Yes or no? Yes, na? Because this interface belongs to Cisco. Tell me, yes or no? Yes, na?
Yes.
Okay. So how can you configure router EIGRP 100? We can't run the different AS number. I told you in the previous class. Router EIGRP 100, no auto summary, and the network will be, we are going to advertise 192.168.1.0. Yes or no? Tell me. Yes. What will be the wildcard mask? This is /24. So 0.0.0.255. Done.
Yes.
Back.
Never
So see, never ship is up.
up.
Done na?
Yes.
Everyone. Okay. But if let's suppose you come here on this PC and if you are pinging 70.2 or 70.1, you are able to ping. There is no problem. Yes or no? You can ping. From here to 70.1, you are able
Yes.
to ping na? But if you try to ping 192.168.10.1, where is 10.1? This one, right?
Yes.
Are you able to ping?
No.
No. Different network.
Different network, different routing protocol.
Different routing protocol.
We ping 70.10. That is also different network, but you are able to ping. Why? Because on 70.1 you are running the OSPF, right? Na? 70
Yes.
network is also a part of OSPF.
Okay,
So that's the reason you are able to ping. But we are not able to ping 192 network. Why? Because this is in different routing protocol. Done. So what is the solution? We need to
Redistribution.
Redistribute.
configure the redistribution. So when you configure the redistribution here, what will happen? This router inject OSPF route into EIGRP and EIGRP route into OSPF.
OSPF.
Getting my point? Then you are able to ping. Done, everyone. Now come here on this router. I mean which router? I mean this router. Okay. So on this router, what we are doing? First of all, we are redistributing OSPF route into the EIGRP. Fine. But what is the AS number we are using in EIGRP? AS number 100.
Okay.
Yes or no? Yes.
Yes.
So router EIGRP 100 because you will advertise the OSPF into this one, na? Yes or no? Yes.
Yes.
Because you are running the EIGRP 100 there. So I run router EIGRP 100. Done. After that, you need to write redistribute. What you need to write, guys? Redistribute. What you need to redistribute? You are redistributing OSPF. Yes or no? Are you tell me?
Yes.
Okay. So to show IP protocol. So we are running the EIGRP also 100 and OSPF also 100. Done na everyone? Yes or no? So we are we are redistributing the OSPF route into the EIGRP. In which EIGRP? Router EIGRP 100. Done.
Yes.
In this EIGRP, we are going to redistribute. Command is redistribute. Fine. After that, I press the question mark. What you want to redistribute? I want to redistribute OSPF. Yes or no? So I run OSPF. Fine. Again, I press question mark. What it is telling? It is telling write the process ID. Which process ID you are running in the OSPF? So we are using 100. I press the question mark. What is this? It is telling match, but we are not using the match. We are using the metric concept. Okay, na? But I told you one more thing. OSPF using the different metric calculation, EIGRP use the different metric calculation. Getting my point, everyone? So that's the reason whenever you are advertising any routes in the EIGRP, what is the rule? You need to advertise, you need to configure the all the K values there. Again, I'm telling all the K values. Basically, in EIGRP, guys, EIGRP use the K value K1, K2, K3, K4, K5. Getting my point? There are 5 types of K values EIGRP use. Okay, you guys can read it in the detail way. But K1 means, for example, bandwidth, delay, load. So these are the K values. Okay. So whenever you are advertising any prefix in the EIGRP, what you need to do? You need to define the K value manually. Getting my point, everyone? Are you understand? So
Yes.
after that, you need to write metric. Fine. I press the question mark. So see, first it is telling what you need to define bandwidth. It is telling, please define the bandwidth, and this is the range. You can define anything. For example, I am defining 10,000. I press the again question mark. What? It is telling
Delay.
please define what? Delay.
Delay matter.
Getting my point? I am writing again 10,000. Fine. I press again question mark. What it is telling? It is telling define the reliability.
Liability.
Reliability range is 0 to 255. I am writing 255. Again, I press the question mark. What I am getting? Load.
Load.
What? Load. What is the range? 255. I am writing 255. Are you getting my point? Everyone. Again, I press question mark. It is telling define what?
MPU.
MTU. By default, MTU is 1500. So I am writing the 1500. Again, press question mark. Nothing. I press the enter. Getting my point, everyone? So
Yes.
basically, this is the command, final command I run here to redistribute OSPF route into EIGRP. I understand.
Sir,
OSPF route
confusion.
into. So what I did, guys, I advertise OSPF route into EIGRP. Done, everyone? I hope you guys understand. So IP EIGRP route EIGRP. See 50. So basically, guys, this is the way you can check the routing table of any protocol also. Getting my point? For example, if you want to check the IP route, this is the local routing table. This is the local routing table. Okay, and if you want to check the routing table of any protocol, you can check IP route and you can write the protocol name OSPF. Are you getting my point, everyone?
Yes.
Here you guys will get the information about only those routes which is belongs to OSPF only.
Yes.
Getting my point? Understand? So till now, what I did, guys, I redistribute all OSPF route into EIGRP. Yes or no? Okay.
Yes.
Now I am on this router. I am running the command to show IP route. See, are you guys able to see the routes of OSPF? Yes or no? Are you guys able to see the routes of OSPF?
Yes.
Yes. See now, 50 network, 60 network, right na? 10, 20,
Yes.
30, these are OSPF routes.
Groups.
Yes or no? Yes.
Yes.
And what is the AD value? 17.
170.
Getting my point. Basically, EIGRP use 2 AD value. How many? 2. 90 and 170.
90 and
90
170.
means, any idea? No?
290.
90 for same protocol, 170 for different
Yes,
protocol.
90 for internal routes.
Same domain.
Yes, 90 for internal and 170 for external. Okay. So see what you are able to see on this router. What I did, I advertise or I inject all the OSPF route into the EIGRP. So that's the reason this router is able to understand all the routes of OSPF in the routing table. Yes or no? Yes.
Can
But-
we do other way also? Can we inject EIGRP routes into OSPF?
EIGRP routes into the
OSPF.
how? No. Generally, we are advertising like this.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay.
But if I ask you, can I ping from here to here now? Answer is no. Why?
Sure.
Because this router know about these OSPF routes. Yes or no? Yes, na? But this router don't know about na EIGRP routes, right? Na? So this is still we configure the one way. Yes, na everyone? Yes or no? Yes. So what you need to do? You need to advertise the EIGRP routes into the OSPF also. Yes or no?
Yeah, this is my question.
Yes.
Yeah, this is the question which I asked you. Do we need to do vice versa or only one way?
Yes. So we need to advertise na EIGRP routes into the OSPF also. Till now we advertise the OSPF route into the EIGRP. Yes, na? How can we advertise? Now we are advertising EIGRP into OSPF. So which OSPF we are using, guys? router OSPF 100 we are using here. Yes or no? Yes. Now redistribute, then question mark. Which one you want to advertise? EIGRP, right? EIGRP. Again press question mark. It is telling the AS number. Which AS number you are putting in EIGRP? 100. Yes, na? Are tell me.
Yes.
Yes. I press the question mark. Here you are getting two things. Metric or subnet. So please write subnet. That's all. Now come here on other routers. For example, on this router. So IP root. See, in EIGRP, which one? 192 we are using. Are you guys able to see the EIGRP roots? Yes. We are able to see the EIGRP roots. Getting my point? E2 means what? External roots. Getting my point? Everyone.
It is showing 66 in E2. It is showing 60, 60, 60, 50, 50, 50 also.
Sorry, E2.
Above, there are two more E2s are there. It is showing 60.60.60.60 and 50.50.50.50.
60 and where this one? 50.
Yes.
Where is 60 and 50? 60 and 50
Yeah.
where is 40.1?
Is it the loopbacks in EIGRP?
Yes, that is the loopback in the EIGRP. That is the loopback in the EIGRP. Do show IP interface brief. See.
Yes.
Done everyone? Yes or no? Yes, no? Now,
Yes.
let's suppose you are on this laptop and let's suppose if you want to ping 192.168.10.1, this one, this PC, this laptop, I am able to ping now. I am able to ping now. Getting my point, everyone? Yes or no?
Yes.
Understand now?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, it's a continuously pinging after timeout is coming. After Mali continuously pinging, sir. What is the problem? That one?
Sorry, what is?
You put actually ping something 70.0.0.0.1 -t. If continuously pinging 10 pingings ICMP protocols, then next to request timeout, mal next pinging again.
You are telling I am writing ping 190. Sorry, for example, this one. Then
Yes, sir. -t.
this one.
Yes, sir.
In fact, it will not work.
Not getting what are you telling?
In packet tracer, I think it will not work.
Yes. So guys, basically this is the way how we can configure the OSPF and how we can configure the routes. We can configure the redistribution. And everyone.
Yes.
Sir, command prompt lo pinging చేసాను sir actually.